Hey, fire up.
What are you doing, James?
Fucking, I put new wheels on my blades and they're not working.
Hey, you trying to go to Popeyes?
I mean, I'll go.
Ooh.
Awesome.
There's your problem. You only have 3 instead of 4.
Hey, you got 3.
Dude, James, how the f did you even get this here?
Oh, dude, it's hilarious. The stanch I'm literally just falling off it every time I pedal.
I'm gonna be riding in it, and some dad's gonna come up and f***ing blast me.
You pop a wheelie on that thing?
You wanna see? Alright, hold on. It's time to pop a wheelie. I hope there are no cops. Yee! Come on. What? What's up?
That was awful nice of you to let them pull.
Oh yeah, I figured. Be a gentleman tonight.
They look like a bunch of f***ing retarded.
Probably a bunch of kids.
Look at, like they're half in one lane.
Yeah, they don't know what they're doing. Did you just come from the bar?
Yeah.
Figured. You're on camera.
What, you got a GoPro?
Yeah.
What's up, brother? You want a cigarette?
No, I'm alright, man.
Alright, dude. Well, good night.
Yeah, take care.
Have fun.
Yeah. I will. Safety first. A lot of idiots. Jesus Christ. What's happening? What? My ass hurts.
They're all at Taco Bell. I gotta go pick them up right now. No.
Can I park behind somebody? Where's your car at?
Right here.
Oh. I don't know, maybe I can fit like right behind you throughout the night. There's no way I'm making that curve.
Oh, right there, off the edge right there. See?
Alright, I'll think about it. Hopefully it's not f***ing all due. Goddamn. Okay, there's more dirt than grass. So I got some traction. Ugh. There's too many cans, man. Solid. He's wrestling?
No, watching football.
Oh. Alright. See you in a minute. Is this it? Pretty sure this is it. What's happening?
Good thing I stayed.
This intersection uses a scanner for vehicles to like turn the light, so it doesn't scan my motorcycle, so I always have to hit the walking thing. Instead we got a vehicle, but usually if I'm stuck here by myself, I'll go over there and hit that button. Over here?
6, so up here on the right.
Oh.
How are you gonna get this back?
It was strapped to my helmet, or my bike.
Oh, alright, bye.
So, have fun at the wedding. I'm hungover. I'm hungover as fuck. I'm hungover. I'm hungover and fucked. And by I mean I'm still hungover. And it fucking sucks cause I'm hungover. And I had to drive her here back to my old house, yeah. Well, my old apartments, yeah. But I'm hungover. I could use some coffee. What you asking for? What you asking for? What you do? What you asking for? Go 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 go. Oh man. Oh man, oh man. Not again. Oh man, not again. Drake song. Cheers. Jobs. I wonder how many jobs Drake could get per capita in the United States. That'd be a neat statistic. You should start writing all that down and make like a spreadsheet on Excel. Jobs per capita, not sex. Sex is easy. But jobs. Some girls just go straight for the poon. They skip all the foreplay. I want to see where you can get the most jobs per capita and then move there. Yeah. Now that's something you can put on your realtor.com page. Jobs per capita. You too. It's so. What are you doing? The hell are you doing, son? Are you crazy as hell? I can't see shit. Them lights be blinding me. That makes me sad. Dude. Grandpa on the twisties. Twisted grandpa. Sounds like some weird sex move. You ever try the twisted grandpa? Yeah. I tried that once. My back up. Yeah. That guy's got some hair, man. No blinkers, just fucking cruising. Red light. And he runs the red light. After he turns his blinker on halfway through the light. I'm gonna let you guys know something. I know this is probably old news and shit with the whole Pokemon Go craze right now. I've been a Pokemaniac since I was like 6 years old. I have a massive collection of Pokemon. I'm a fucking total Pokemon nerd. And ever since Pokemon Go came out, I've been like fucking loving it. I'm obsessed. And I think it's awesome that everyone's fucking totally into it. There's literally crowds of people downtown from where I live. The wind is like shooting me sideways. There we go. My exhaust just fell off. What? Oh my god. Well, fuck.
Holy shit! I think you might need a new exhaust.
I might need a new exhaust. Holy shit. This old piece of shit. It looks like hair, bro. What the fuck is that? Woo! What the fuck? It looks like human hair. That is weird. Looks like somebody's head got stuffed in here.
Is that really what's in there?
Dude.
Fiberglass strands.
Oh my god. I think I might like have to cut it and then put it back on. I don't fucking know.
The exhaust literally just go through this.
I guess. No, it was probably a hole. It's just everywhere now. Jesus Christ.
I like to hear you take off, and I was just like, God damn, that bike sounds loud.
Yeah. It's loud now, it's straight pipe, bro.
Like, oh,
Well, fuck. I don't know what to do with this. I'm gonna leave it here in the meantime.
I leave it somewhere.
I cannot believe that just happened.